baby. I've been thinking about you all the time.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Brinkz and TK. And today I'm gonna do a cooking video for y'all. It's just me today and Stink. Daddy is at work. He should be home shortly though. But we haven't did a video in a while, and I thought it was time to do something. So, you guys don't know, me and Vern are getting married in August. So we kind of been on like a light keto diet, so to say. Been trying to cut out carbs as much as possible, even though we do have one cheat day a week, and I will get my pasta in. But you got to be careful of how much you take that in as well, even on the cheat day. But today I am making cabbage and baked chicken. Like I said, I like to keep it light. My cabbage is already on. I didn't think about making a video for y'all until right now. And not to mention, kind of been busy with everything. Like, these are wet and sitting pieces that's going to be on our tables for reception and everything. I've been busy with a lot with that. I've been doing a lot of overtime. Plus, my hours are crazy as it is, so with overtime, it doesn't give me time to do anything for real. So, if you guys don't know, I work 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. And with the overtime I've been getting in, I've been getting off at like 5:30, 5:40. So usually when I'm at home in the mornings, I'm taking care of this little menace. And then why is he so bad? Okay, y'all, so like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a phone call. And don't hate on my bonnet. Like I said, it's my off day. So, I'm enjoying my time in the house while I can. Because, like I said, my schedule's been crazy. Now, y'all probably can't even hear me over this freaking water. But anyways, so now I'm about to clean the chicken. So, we have drumsticks. And then we have skinless chicken thighs. Of course, Walmart fanatic over here. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to clean this real quick, and then I'm going to come back. Alright, see ya. Okay, y'all, so I have the chicken soaking right now. Now, if y'all ain't hip to this, have to let chicken and any type of meat soak with some vinegar and water. I don't know if everybody do it, but I do it. It's been passed down from my grandma. So, you know, grandma's cooking is always the best. So, while that's soaking, what I do is I put seasoning on top of the chicken and on the bottom of the pan as well. So, roasted garlic and herb is one of my favorites. My absolute time favorites, y'all. It's so good. I use a little garlic salt, not much, because I do have high blood pressure. I'm not really supposed to be using salt at all, but salt is essential. I use a little seasoning salt. Webster's Kickin' Chicken is another one of my favorites. Webster just has a bomb, and I mean bomb, y'all, seasoning line to begin with. Onion powder. Cayenne pepper, more onion powder because that one's almost gone, and a little red crushed pepper. So notice that I don't have any salt in there. because I do have sea salt, but doctor said I can't be using salt, so I'm minimizing any type of sea salt and just using these two salts, but I'm not using much of those salts. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and put this up. It is so hard trying to film and cook at the same time when you're the only person that's home. Like, I'm trying to hold the camera, show y'all what I'm doing, hold the camera, show y'all what I'm doing, and then I gotta keep pausing the camera. So, I'll be back. Alright guys, so we are finishing up here. Take a look at the cabbage. So it's pretty much done. I just gotta add the bacon to it. And we were supposed to have turkey bacon with low sodium, but the Walmart app for the grocery gave us this. So add the bacon pieces. TK in there having a fit, y'all. No reason. He's sleepy, but he don't want to take himself to sleep. Why? I don't know. So bacon has been added. Just mixing it in. Next thing you know, I gotta eat my white ass to survive. My wife was like, I still ain't gonna come. Will you shut the fuck? Shut up. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna put this on low now. And we're gonna let it simmer. And we're gonna check on the chicken. Alright, y'all. Both pans are in the oven and are about to start cooking. Yeah, exactly. He knows what stuff is hiding to get away.
This bar up here, Walking Dead, all that stuff is in there. Or that's Fear the Walking Dead, which is like the prequel to them all. What the?
I get him every time, y'all. Every single time. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So now we're just waiting for the chicken to finish cooking. But I want to do this quick little segment. So, me and the fiance have not been out in a while, right? So I just sent him something. We're about to watch his reaction. You check your email?
What the? Bruh, for real? Yo. Yeah, mom gonna definitely have to watch TK. It's rap. It's ready to win. I'm not ready. Ah! Look at that. Boy, that in-game, boy. That in-game. You ain't ready for that there, boy. You ain't ready for that there, boy. Yeah. One time.
So, y'all, now we trying to figure out how we gonna watch Captain Marvel. I was about to mess that name all up, though.
I'm about to straight pirate. I'm sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be illegal, but I'm about to straight pirate that movie. I'm sorry. I gotta get caught up, nigga, bro.
So, y'all, we are going to try to see if we can find this movie to watch. But like I was saying,
issues, so I gotta get that fixed. So that's, you know, that, and then it's been a whole bunch of stuff going on, planning for the wedding. You know what I'm saying? There's a whole bunch of stuff going on in our lives that y'all don't get to see. But understand, we are some true comic book Marvel fans. It's about to go down. We're going to do a review on the movie for y'all. So if y'all late getting there, we going to let you.
And I just found out how to put a video in the video, y'all. So shout out to Lil Vert. If y'all don't know, I forgot what his channel is. I'm probably going to link it down below. Go check him out. His reaction videos are popping. So go check those out. So as far as the cooking, y'all, we are still waiting on this chicken. One of the things about cooking it at 350 is that you're waiting for a long time. But I find when you cook at 350, like the results are so freaking good. Like it's juicy, it's tender. The seasoning is baked into it, and you can taste what? He over there talking stuff, y'all. But anyways, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted.
Oh, it wasn't rudely, baby.
What? I was really interrupted. But 350 is awesome. So, and cannot wait to eat. Y'all, I didn't think it was going to take this long, though. We've been cooking this chicken for like 3 hours. And I forgot what else I was going to say. So hopefully we'll have more videos coming for y'all. I know my lips ashy as hell. Apologize once again. I am at home in my natural state, not glammed up. Trying to show y'all the all natural us as well as the glammed up us. Y'all see the glammed up us when we go see that movie. And at the end of this month, because I can't wait. Can't wait to see what they did and how they brought everybody back. That's going to be popping. But I'm going to cut it again while we wait for this chicken to finish up. Then I'm going to end the video.
Later. 3 days later.
Alright, y'all. So the first pan of chicken is done. And this is the baby's pan of chicken. I kind of had to hurry up and fix this because he's in there dozing off. Like I said, I didn't know it was going to take this freaking long. It usually don't take this long. But I did kind of cook kind of late. Because I got home late and I overslept late. Well, look what time it is. I usually have him fed by 8 o'clock. 9 at the latest, but never after freaking 9. So, that's the finished product. We still got this in the oven. I like it actually to get a little extra crunchy. But I'm going to go ahead and get his plate ready. Because he's starving. And he's sleepy. And get him down to bed. He's hangry right now. Man, he mad because he ain't getting no video time for real.
Stink, stink, hey, go stink, stink, hey, go stink, stink, hey, go stink, stink, go stink, stink, hey, go stink, stink, hey, 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 what? Yeah. Go stink, stink.
But on that note, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And like I said, we're going to try to get out more videos to y'all on a regular basis. We're going to get some pranks going.
On a regular basis, though?
It's going down. We're going to get some pranks going.
Yo.
Hashtag Team Brinkz in those comments. Because it's going down. It's going down.
I don't know if y'all just peeped what she just said. She just said vases. Who says vases?
Bases.
No, she said vases. Play it back. Rewind it back. Play it back and see if she said vases. And when you do
regular vases, we're gonna get some
thumbs up, and then
he really about to have me rewind this
and then subscribe to the Monster 3. Holla.
What? Whatever, y'all. Like I said,
vases.
Regular vases. We about to get those pranks going. No DIYs going. This how you gonna do me? This how you gonna do me? Okay. I'm gonna give you what you want. Them pranks. I'm doing y'all. I'm telling y'all. And I tell y'all, like in this video for real, I was smacked. Like this bonnet is not how I go down.
It's showing.
It's not me at all. Like even going out to a quick stop, like I'm looking like I'm about
But you know
to
what though? It's,
hit a fashion runway.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
But I'm
babe.
trying to be real here.
I'm gonna be honest with you, babe. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, for real, you still look good. Real talk.
Mm-hmm.
You really do. Like, and sometimes you just need to just sit back and relax, man. You don't need to go above and beyond like you do. Just realize real, you know what I'm saying? You are a queen. Act like it.
Mm-hmm. He's sweet. But on that note, y'all, it's your girl Brinkz.
And your boy Burn.
And TK.
The Little Menace.
We sleepy. And we signing out.